In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Facebook Messenger notifications. We will walk through this slowly so you can follow along even if this is your first time changing phone settings. First, open Settings on your Android device. Look for the Settings app icon on your home screen or in your app list. It usually looks like a small gear. When you open it, you should see a list of categories such as Network, Display, and Apps, which tells you that you are in the right place. Once you are in Settings, tap Apps. On some phones, it may say Apps and Notifications, but you are looking for the section that manages installed apps. After you tap it, you will see a list of all the apps on your phone, usually in alphabetical order, so you can scroll until you find the one you need. From there, select Messenger. The icon is typically a blue speech bubble with a white lightning bolt inside, matching what you see on your home screen. When you tap it, the Messenger app info screen opens, showing details like storage, data usage, and permissions, which confirms you have the right app open. Now tap Notifications. This takes you to the notification settings page just for Messenger, not for your whole phone. Here you should see options for different types of alerts such as message previews, group chats, or calls, depending on your version of Android. Turn on Allow Notifications. Make sure the main switch at the top is set to on. Usually it turns blue or moves to the right. As soon as you change this, Android starts allowing alerts from Messenger again. There is no extra save button needed. Next, open the Messenger app itself. Tap the Messenger icon from your home screen or app drawer and wait for the main chat list to appear. You should see your recent conversations and a few buttons across the top or bottom of the screen. With Messenger open, tap Menu, then Settings. The menu button looks like three horizontal lines, often in the top left or top right corner. When you tap it, a side panel or a new screen appears, and you can then tap Settings, which usually has a small gear icon next to it. On the settings screen, tap Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how Messenger alerts you, including vibration, sound, and whether alerts appear while you use other apps. Many beginners miss this menu and only change Android settings, so it is useful to check both places. Finally, turn notifications on. You will see a main switch for notifications and sounds. Make sure it is toggled to on. Once it is enabled, Messenger will send alerts for new messages using the sound and preview style shown on this screen. You have now fully turned on Facebook Messenger notifications on your Android phone, both in system settings and inside the app. If this helped you start seeing your Messenger alerts again, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear walkthroughs like this.